Creating a lava lamp effect with baking soda is a classic science experiment that's easy, safe, and fun to do at home. This version uses a simple acid-base reaction to create the lava bubbles. What you'll need: a clear glass bottle or jar. A soda bottle works perfectly. Vegetable oil, water food coloring, baking soda, white vinegar. A funnel, optional but makes it much easier. A small bowl or cup. A teaspoon. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Create the lava base. Pour about 2-3 teaspoons of baking soda into the small bowl or cup. Add a few drops of food coloring to the baking soda and mix them together with the spoon. This will give your lava its color. Add just a little bit of water to the colored baking soda to form a thick, pasty liquid. You don't want it to be too runny. This is your colored baking soda paste. Step 2. Prepare the lava lamp jar. Using the funnel, carefully pour the colored baking soda paste into the bottom of your clear bottle or jar. Pour vegetable oil into the bottle until it is about 3/4 full. The oil and the colored baking soda paste will separate, with the paste sinking to the bottom. Fill the remaining space with water, leaving a small gap at the top. The water will sink through the oil and mix with the colored baking soda paste at the bottom.
Step 3. The lava reaction. In a separate cup, mix a small amount of vinegar with a few drops of water. Carefully and slowly pour the vinegar mixture into the bottle. Watch as the vinegar travels through the oil and reacts with the baking soda paste at the bottom. The reaction between the baking soda, a base, and the vinegar, an acid, will produce carbon dioxide gas. The gas bubbles will attach to the colored water, making it less dense than the oil. As the bubbles of gas rise, they will carry the colored water with them, creating the lava lamp effect. When the gas bubbles reach the top and pop, the colored water will sink back down to the
Pro tips for a better experience: go slowly. Pouring the vinegar in slowly gives you more control over the reaction and makes the effect last longer. Recharge it. When the bubbles stop, you can add more vinegar to restart the reaction and get more lava action. Try different colors. Experiment with different food colors to see what works best. Safety first. This experiment is very safe, but it's always a good idea to have an adult supervise, especially when handling the glass container.